Hello viewers, I'm dietitian Sushma Jaiswal. I have nearly 33 years of working experience in WHO and United Nations Development Program and around the globe for 25 years. Right now I'm practicing in Bangalore at Swasthya Nutrition. Best foods for diabetes. Okay, we have to first understand what is diabetes. It's a metabolic disorder and it's not a disease. But what happens is that in this disorder, the carbohydrates in the blood are not converted into the energy fully. So what happens is that blood sugar level becomes high, and as a result it does not allow all the nutrients to be absorbed in the body. So for that, we have to increase our fiber content in the diet, and fiber could nowadays all the foods are so much processed that they are ripped of fiber, B vitamins and essential nutrients, and also protein like white rice, ready-made atta, flour, whatever, and white flour, all the lentils, legumes, the washed dals. So they are ripped of essential nutrients. So the person who is suffering from diabetes has to eat more whole grains and the foods in the natural form rather than any processed foods. So like whole legumes like rajma, chana, moong, matar, all these things in the full form, and if possible they can make sprouts and include sprouts every day in their diet so that they get more protein and more fiber. They have to take like nuts and dry fruits, maybe a handful of those, because they are rich in proteins, and also they provide virgin fats, the fats which are not processed. So it's also advisable. And they nowadays all the oils and fats are ripped of omega-3 essential fatty acids because of high processing, like increasing the shelf life from 3 to 4 months to 2 years, and that one destroys omega-3. So taking a supplement of omega-3 is also very helpful. The people who are suffering from diabetes also are deficient in B vitamins. So and B vitamins are always there on the upper layer of the grain, like rice bran and rice, fiber content and all that. So if they are not getting enough B vitamins, then they have to take a vitamin B supplement as well. And they have to eat more green leafy vegetables because they are rich in so many nutrients, dense in nutrients and less in calories, like they don't increase any calorie. So they are very, very good for diabetic people, and they have to choose like low glycemic index foods, which take more time to get digested. So it's a slow digestion, which means slow increase in blood sugar. And those foods are very helpful. They have to take more foods in the natural form, like increase their protein content, because nowadays in India about more than 80% people are suffering from protein deficiency, and when protein is not enough in the body, it cannot facilitate the other processes of digestion and absorption and all the other enzyme production and everything in the body. So I would recommend them to take a balanced diet and cut down on all junk food, fast food, oily food and spicy food, altogether, beverages, artificial beverages or synthetic beverages, everything. So take more healthy food, and whatever, you have to because nowadays there are lots of deficiencies in the food because of so many reasons, like soil depletion and over cultivation and mass production, and all the vegetables and fruits don't get enough nutrients. So for that they have to also deal with their deficiencies with supplements.